Hey there. Similarly to the real world, the internet has its underworld too, and we hardly ever see it on our daily online ventures. It's called the dark web, and today we're going to learn a little bit more about what it is and how it works. People often confuse the dark web with the deep web. The concepts are related, but by no means the same. The deep web is part of the internet not indexed for search engines and hidden behind the readily available surface web. You can't access these websites by just entering their address into the browser or by looking them up on Google. They require registration or access permission. But that doesn't mean that they're automatically illegal or malicious. For example, they include private pages such as social media profiles, email or online banking accounts, paywall content, members-only forums, and so on. The dark web is a more narrow term, and it's a section of the deep web that is intentionally hidden on darknet and overlay networks, and it takes special software and communication protocols to access it. You can connect to the dark web by using anonymous browsers such as Tor, and it routes your request through a series of servers operated by independent volunteers to hide your IP address. Or you can access it through such sites as Freenet or I2P with encrypted peer-to-peer communication. There are no convenient navigation methods or search options, so you really have to know exactly where you're going and what you need. True to its reputation, the dark web is a wild place where criminals thrive, and they use it to sell porn, drugs, guns, and hacking services, and do other kinds of illegal business. But not all is illegal there. Whistleblowers, dissidents, and independent bloggers also use the dark web to spread their messages, avoid persecution, and have full anonymity. Said anonymity requires complex routing systems, which make the dark web quite messy and slow. For any transactions, dark web visitors use cryptocurrencies to avoid being traced. Despite its anonymous nature, or maybe because of it, the dark web is a dangerous place, so enter it at your risk and only with good and legitimate intentions. Stay safe. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other videos on this channel. To learn more about VPN and online security, subscribe to the NordVPN YouTube channel.